ever see those like black henna stains and kind of like freak out and think like, oh my gosh, that must be chemicals? Actually, it might not be, and it could be Jagua. And I'm gonna share with you today the differences between henna and Jagua body art with you today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Khadija. I'm so happy that you're here. I'm the owner, CEO, founder of Hennasooq, where I specialize in henna, natural hair dye, and Ayurvedic healthy hair care. And I do the most gorgeous henna and Jagua body art. And I'm bringing you a new series, Henna Body Art Thursdays, every single week. Henna is a plant-based dye. Henna is its own plant, so it only dyes like this range of reddish tones, sometimes a little bit different depending on the country of origin of that particular henna. And the person's skin chemistry plays a huge role in the color outcome. So it can be like this beautiful reddish burgundy tone, or it could be a little bit more brown. So it's all about the person's chemistry at that point, about how that tone kind of will come out in that range, you know. And sometimes it can even come out orangey, and usually that's kind of considered like a subpar henna because it is supposed to get at least this gorgeous brownish tint or this reddish burgundy tone, and the orange means that it's a bit weak. Look out for that when you're looking for your henna. And also I highly recommend that if you are serious about your henna body art, make sure that you are using handmade professional henna cones. Please don't go to Amazon and shop for henna cones. Don't hire or book an artist that uses that either. They always have some type of chemical in it, preservative or something, and the smell is definitely way off. So just a cautionary note that I want to throw in there. Also, stay tuned. I have something special for you at the very end of this video. People have been using henna for thousands upon thousands and thousands of years. Like, they really have been using it such a long time to create this beautiful art form that celebrates like beauty and self-care, self-love, and, you know, very happy type of, you know, holidays and celebrations. I would probably say with the areas that henna is probably the most popular, I mean, it is loved worldwide. But India is very well known. Morocco, of course, you'll see a lot of content coming from there, and majority of Africa. Also, you will see gorgeous styles, very unique type of like applying the henna, even geometric forms. It is really, really very fascinating, like seeing how every different area and culture and person brings their own taste and flair to the art of henna. Now, what in the world is Jagua? Jagua, aka Guinepa, aka Jagua, is this fruit that grows typically in, you know, rainforest type climates, like you'll find it in South America, you'll find it in Puerto Rico. And it's this fruit that stains this beautiful blue tone. And it comes from, you know how you've seen maybe the Amazon tribes, you know, how they have a lot of like different tattoos and markings on their body? It's from the Jagua. So cool. So what they do is they basically extract the juice from the Jagua fruit, and that juice can be made in a few ways to give you a variation of stains, which again is so cool. Like the juice made into a gel form is called Jagua Gel, and that gel form will give you a blue stain, like this rich blue, just it's gorgeous, it's beautiful rich blue stain. And then if you take that Jagua juice and you mix it with henna, then you're gonna get a natural black stain. So no more chemicals, no PVD, no, you know, going to give the biggin, aka Baijin hair dye, because that's what they use. A lot of the time they put that in the henna, and that's chemicals. It's not supposed to be on your skin, you know, mind you, trying to dye your hair with it. And that, oh my goodness, gets that beautiful black stain. It is absolutely gorgeous, and naturally, like with just this amazing fruit called Jagua, right? And also traditionally, Jagua is also used for medicinal properties and benefits, and also it can stain clothing and cloth. It is really cool. And it is definitely loved worldwide. A lot of people are catching on to the hype of Jagua. So when it comes to henna and Jagua, there's definitely going to be some cultural differences because of where it grows, obviously. You have henna in a more specific kind of part of the world, which is, you know, India, Morocco, all of Africa, you know, the Middle East, Yemen, Pakistan, all those areas, right? And so they fuse, you know, their own styles of art and symbolism. And the Jagua, you know, South America, you know, Caribbean countries, you know, influence all of that use of Jagua, you know, bringing their own style and symbolism to it. It is, I mean, amazing when you think about it, how people can just bring their art to the table like that. It's just such a beautiful way of using it, but in a common goal, you know, like self-love, you know, care, and, you know, and just having a good time, and really fusing their communities together, and building bridges, you know, like bonding people together over this simple art form. You know, if, you know, you've ever been to like an Indian wedding, you might be like, wow, I got to experience being part of that, like, you know, the Mendi night, you know, and being part of an Eid celebration. Like, it's just something that just really brings people together. Now, something very interesting, the consistency of each of those pastes, including the Jagua Gel. So I'll start with the Jagua Gel. It's really gel-like. So if you can imagine what you would, ever you imagine a gel to be like, then that's Jagua Gel. Like, it's very like gel-like and slippery-like, but it stains really quick. Like, the stain is ready in like 2 hours, and all you have to do is wash it off. So it's really easy to use. People like it because it's so fast and quick and convenient, you know. It's really popular in that sense. The only thing is, like, you know, you don't want to smear that, because once you smear it, you get a really bad, like, it shows up quick, that quick. And so henna paste is a bit, you know, creamy and just smooth, and the Jagua paste is a little like sticky in a way. Like, it's flowy and smooth, but it has this little bit of stick or a little bit of gumminess to it, like a very slight. So you can tell the difference when you're mixing it. And, you know, in these visuals, I hope that you can see that, like, what a cool difference. So yeah, the major differences, and again, well, Henna and Jagua body art are definitely going to be the color, you know, at the end of the day. And then the convenience of the Jagua Gel being ready so much quicker. The henna paste and the Jagua paste behave a bit more similarly. Like, they have to be left on for 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight, for best results to get a really good stain. So make sure that your aftercare as well is really good. Use our aftercare henna balm, because that is going to be something that will moisturize the skin, and not only multi-purpose to use along your hairline, but you will be able to just really get a good stain by moisturizing with that balm. And now for the good. Do you want to get a free Henna and Jagua body art kit that has everything that you need right in it, and it comes in a gorgeous box? It's got your practice sheets, your acrylic bowl hood, it's got your henna cones, your Jagua cones, you got all the henna powder to play with, and all the supplies and essential oils, all the henna supplies that you could need to do our Henna and Jagua body art e-course. So you get that for free. It is like $139 value, which that's huge. And then you take this training program that I'm showing you how to do Henna and Jagua body art. You get to go through the quizzes and all the steps, and we get to meet in person every month for 6 months to talk about the henna body art, to practice, and to dive deeper into like areas of focus that I want to see you get into, so that you have a lot of success with Henna and Jagua body art. And sign up today, because it's a limited time offer. It's going to be ending soon, so take advantage of that. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you every Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday for the new videos that we have. Okay, did I say I'll see you next time? I will see you next time.